Greetings to you. Welcome specially to Bengineer Construction Lecture Hub. Always a platform where you get valuable contents as regards to construction. Do well to follow this page if this is the first time you're coming across this video. Today we are going to look at how to calculate the cutting length of stirrup for our beams. Now we have a section of our beam. Okay, the width is 225 millimeter, the depth is 450 millimeter. Now understand that this is just like a template. Now all you need to do is to substitute the dimension you're working with and follow the procedure and get the exact dimension, for the cutting length. Now we have diameter of stirrup to be D as 8 mm, concrete cover 25 millimeter. Then we are considering one hook to be 90 degree bend to be 2D, 135-degree bend to be 3D. Now understand that here we have a 90-degree bend here. We have another 90-degree bend here. We also have 90-degree bend here. So we have three 90 degrees bend. All right, for 135 degrees, this hook now provides a 135 degrees bend. So we have one of that bend here. We have another bend. So we have two of it. So take note of it. So the width now, we have it as A. Okay, so we have 225 minus 2 multiplied by 25. Now this 25 is the concrete cover for this side as well as on this other side. So that is why we have multiplied by 2. So we have 175 millimeter. Then the depth, which is B, we have 450 minus 2 multiplied by 25. That will give us 400 millimeters. So the perimeter now becomes 175 plus 400 plus 175 plus 400 because it's on the four sides. So we have 1150 millimeters. Then the hook length for two hooks, like I said earlier, is 2 multiplied by 9D. Okay, and we know that one hook is 9D. So we have two of the hooks now, which is this hook. We have two hooks here. So we have it as 2 multiplied by 9D. That will give us 2 multiplied by 9 multiplied by the D is the diameter of the stirrup. So that will give us 144 millimeters. Then the bend length for 3 bends at 90 degrees and 2 bends at 135 degrees, as I've explained earlier. So we have 3 multiplied by 2D, which is 2D for 90 degrees bend. We have 3 of it. We have one here, one here, one. So we have 3. So that is why we're multiplying by 3. Then by 2, we have 2 hooks, 2 bends here of 135 degrees. So that will give us 12D. So the total cutting length will now be equal to perimeter plus hook length minus bend deduction. So when you substitute, we have 1150 plus 144 minus 2D. So when you work it out, we have 1198 millimeters. So this becomes the cutting length that will produce this size of stirrup. So this is how we calculate for the cutting length. Do well to follow this page if this is the first time you're coming across my video for more insightful contents as regards to construction. Thank you very much and have a wonderful day. Bye.